What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Izzat and I am so happy today because I got my new camera. As you see, all my orders came. This is that camera I have been waiting for so long time and I'm gonna unbox it today with you guys. So let's watch. What's inside this box? I have a knife. Watch. So let's open it. Wow, I am feeling good. So guys, this is Sony A7iii and let's open it. What is inside this box? Let's watch. Wow, I'm so excited actually. Wow, this is amazing. So let's open what is inside this box. Oh wow, this is amazing. I'm gonna use it later. Let's watch the camera finally. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this, guys? What do you think? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. And there is charger. And cable for our charging, and I got a battery. Wow, look at this beautiful battery. I hope it have battery. No guys, it didn't turn on because I need to charge it first and I will show you guys later. So let's watch this box. What is inside this box? What is this? What is this, guys? I got it. And also we have for our lens. Amazing. It's amazing, guys. Oh, I'm feeling so good. Wow, what is this beauty? So beautiful. I get a metal cage. I ordered it. It also came. What's going on, guys? Wow. So I will charge now. You can use it like this. So guys, I charged it and let's watch Hangul. Okay, let's. The reason why I bought this camera was to be able to provide better content for my YouTube channel and make more great travel videos and learn more photography and videography and make more great travel videos. This camera is Canon, my old camera. I used it before, so it's time to say bye to you and I'm gonna give it to my friend. So I will use the Sony A7iii and make great contents. I hope I can do that. Guys, I am super excited to be testing out and using this my daily camera. I'm gonna taking this everywhere I go. I'm gonna shooting a lot of travel videos. I'm gonna be filming all of my YouTube content as well on the Sony A7iii. So definitely stay turned on to see more content on this bad boy, and thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate all the feedbacks that you guys give, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see on this. And once again, thank you so much for all the support. I will catch you all in the next videos.